What is going on, everybody? It's your boy Jordan 7. I'm back again from Flight for Hype. I know this is not like your original background. My background right now is actually, well, it's in the works right now. I'm trying to change up the whole aesthetic of the channel, and I know that right now this doesn't do it justice, but we have something to talk about right now. If you're into hype, sneakers, fashion, and challenges, well, this is definitely the channel for you. So consider hitting that subscribe button and smash the like button. We are very, very close to 2K, and we are literally almost monetized. So the only way that we can do that is with your help. So without further ado, let's get into this. So last night, I go on my phone. Guess what released last night? If you haven't already guessed it, that's right, the PlayStation Travis Scott merch. There was the biggest disappointment ever. So it was so anticipated for a PlayStation Dunk shock drop to happen, and the only thing about the shock drop, which was super shocking, was that only 5 pairs, literally only 5 pairs were available for a raffle. So basically, you didn't even have to buy the pairs, you didn't have to purchase them at all. It was actually going to be given to 5 people in the entire world. Imagine being in a world of billions of people. There's literally 5 people that are getting this shoe. So right now, what we're going to do is we're going to go on my phone and I'm going to read to you guys what it actually says, so that way you guys can actually see what went down. So here we go. Alright, so we pulled up to the site right now. So as you guys can see, there's some beautiful dunks. You can literally see like the blue, the creams, the sail, even like the light charcoal grays. Like, this is a nice dunk, guys. Check this out. So you can literally see it's got Sony on the back, it's got a blue outsole, it literally has the PlayStation logo, and it also has the charcoal gray swoosh with the charcoal gray laces. Like, this is honestly such a beautiful dunk. So as you can see, it on the bottom, it says PlayStation on the outsole. So this is officially called the Nike Dunk Low Cactus Jack X PlayStation, not for resale. So let's read this together. Enter below for an opportunity to be gifted the Nike Dunk Low Cactus Jack X PlayStation. This is sponsored and administrated by Cactus Jack. Sony Interactive Entertainment and Nike are not sponsors or administrators of this promotion. No purchase is necessary. Void where prohibited. So it says entry period 11/12/20, 11/13/20. Obviously you gotta be age of 18. But basically, this is the most important part. This is what it says. You will not receive an email if you were not selected, obviously. In the event you were selected to be gifted, literally gifted, a pair of the Nike Dunk Low Cactus Jack PlayStations. You will be contacted via email by Nike Sneakers plus Cactus Jack representatives within 14 business days from the date of entry to facilitate that gifting experience. That's crazy. So imagine just getting a call one day and you're like doing something extremely crazy, and you get a call, it's like, hey, you just won some Cactus Jacks that only 5 people in the world have other than Travis Scott. It's like, what? Put your email, your first name, your last name, and all that stuff to enter, and basically you get contacted. Like, that's absolutely nuts. So I think personally that was a huge disappointment, just because we all thought it was going to be a super shock drop or something like that, but we didn't think it was going to be something like this. Like, who's to say that there's actually going to be a real release date? Maybe this is just a sample, who knows? But it's cool to know that this shoe actually now exists. It's no longer a rumor. This is an actual shoe that is supposed to release. Now, I'm not sure of the release date on this sneaker, not even sure if it's going to be dropping again, if this is just going to be friends and family or even samples. I really hope that we actually do get the shoe. I'm 1000% would pay resale for these. I think this is definitely a must cop, but I want to know, are you Xbox or you PlayStation? Comment down below. But let's just go into the little bit of the merch that we saw right now. So as you can see, you get the PlayStation. If I click on it, you've got the Cactus Jack, and the cool thing about this is a screen print font with the puff print on the back, which basically you'll be able to touch the letters. It's going to be raised, which is really nice quality. I feel like that also lasts a lot longer too, and just adds a little bit of oomph. And then of course you have the PlayStation in the front. That's a fire t-shirt, $48, and it's clean, and it's 3 to 4 weeks. So yeah, you'll get it in a month, which is good. Also, raise your hands if you're waiting for the McDonald's merch. If you're waiting for the McDonald's merch, smash the like button right now, because we just got the confirmation that they're finally coming in. So that's freaking awesome. Moving on, we see the brown t-shirt, the gray one. This t-shirt is called Motherboard, by the way. And then you have the red t-shirt. That's pretty cool. You got the hoodie, which is crazy. I like this color actually. If you go in the back, is there anything in the back? Yeah, just Cactus Jack. So that's basically it. The black one's the same. The blue one hits different. That's a really nice hoodie. Yo, that's a fire hoodie. I really want to cop that one. We've got the yellow one. Then you got this Monolith Day t-shirt. I'm pretty sure it's Travis Scott looking at the screen. And on the back, you don't have anything, but it is wash treated and all that stuff, so that's good. $48, pretty cool. But keep in mind too, if you're in Canada, expect to pay duties. This is definitely gonna be like $100 purchase, maybe even more. So okay, so this also comes in like a dark navy blue. That's actually fire. This is something I should have got. This is a sick crew neck, guys. This one right here, it's so clean. I love the color. It's got the PlayStation logo on the left side of the chest, and then you have the Cactus Jack on the arm. That's so cool. Really, really clean, and damn, like, yeah, there's nothing on the back though, but still pretty cool. $88. You're probably gonna have to pay like 150 bucks to be honest with you, but you know, that's what you get, right? When you buy Travis Scott stuff. This varsity jacket is freaking nuts. 800 bucks, and let's see what's on the back of that. You got the PlayStation, the Cactus Jack. That's fire, guy. That's fire. 800 bucks though is a little steep. I kind of wish it was like 200 bucks at least, but you know, whatever. And then you got the chair t-shirt. So again, he's literally watching the screen, just flexing on us. You know, he's like, hey guys, I've got the PS5 early, and I'm dropping shit. You got the CJ Digital Girl t-shirt. See if there's anything on the back of that. And oh yeah, oh yeah, that's pretty cool. And you got the girl's mouth with the CJ on the CJ on the left and the Cactus Jack on the right. That's actually yeah, I think I would cop that. You got the Digital Eye t-shirt. This is pretty cool. It's cool. It's not my favorite tee out of all of them, but it's nice. The black one's pretty cool too. Something's coming long sleeve t-shirt. That's fire. This is really something's coming, something out of this world. That's pretty sick. 68 bucks. This one right here, guys. This one right here is freaking sick. It's got like that green wash too. I'd probably get this one if I was gonna go for the long sleeve. $10 more and you get something super dope. Corrupted, as you can see, you've got some guy wearing headphones and glasses, and you got the hoodie for that. This is cool too. Digital Girl hoodie. So on the back, you've got the Digital Girl one. I would actually cop this one actually. I would definitely cop that. That's actually sick. The System Reflective down puffer. This is crazy. This jacket is fire. Look at that. I've never seen an actual design that sort of reflects like that, and that was a great representation. I'm glad they actually were able to show what it looked like, you know, in the light. So that's really dope. $250, kind of steep, but honestly, that's a pretty fire jacket if you ask me. This is some Prince Mark Anthony. Yo, guys, shout out to Prince, man. System work jacket. This is 100% a PMA vibe, bro. This is fire. Kind of gets you that Carhartt type of vibe. 250 bucks, and it's got the work pants. It's more of a work pant, so it's not really like slim. It's a little bit like loose, and it's a nice fit. That would be a really nice aesthetic too. I'm really curious to see how people are going to drip them. So we got the CJ System beanies. That's pretty dope. You got the gray colorway, and then you got like the blue colorway. I probably would go for the gray just because it's a little bit more neutral for me. I have a lot more stuff to match with it. So the commercial jumbo poster, that's fire. I mean, I think that'd be really cool to have if you're a big fan of Travis Scott and you just kind of want to slap it on your wall. Now this is something that I copped. So this is what I copped out of the entire collection. I decided to go for it, the deck, because I've been wanting like a Supreme deck lately just for like the aesthetic of the room and stuff. I thought it was different. It's still Travis Scott PlayStation, so I really thought this was a really cool deck. I'm not sure if there's going to be any resale value later down the line. I don't know. I just pulled the trigger at like 12 a.m. in the morning. 65 bucks, not really bad. My order ended up being like 130 bucks, I believe. Not too bad. I know I'm gonna have to pay more duties, maybe, but other than that, it was pretty sick. Then we got the Do Not Disturb hanger. You got the cactus, and then you got like the exclamation mark. That's pretty cool. 25 bucks. I mean, shit, I should have got that too, but oh well. You got the Cactus Jack travel duffel. This duffel is pretty cool. Oh, I'm not really a big fan of the duffel. It's cool, but it kind of reminds me of like an H&M Zara vibe, like with something that like Zara would kind of make. You know what I mean? Like if you didn't know Travis Scott and you saw this, I feel like it's very random. But me personally, like if you like the bag, definitely go for it. But at the same time, like it's okay. It's okay to design. I thought it could have been better, to be honest with you. That was going for 80 bucks. Next, you got the beanbag chair. This thing is absolutely fire. You got the little logos going on and stuff like that. That's sick. That's going for $150. And then this was a crazy one. The CJ neon room sign. That is so dope. But I think like if I ordered this, it would definitely come down to like $400, maybe $450 maybe. But that would be so sick. The only thing though, it's like, do I really want to pay that much for like a light, you know? But I don't get me wrong, this is freaking crazy. And like if you're a hype beast, 100% that's a cop. Trust me, I like the hype. Funds are kind of low right now. I'm trying to invest into a lot of things right now. It's still a really great cop though. It's good that they actually made some youth t-shirts. So you get the motherboard logo again with the PlayStation. You have the Monolith Day and the youth as well in the brown. And then you have the youth crew neck too. That's fire. So yeah guys, that's basically it. That's all I kind of wanted to show you guys. Let me know in the comments down below. Did you guys cop anything? Did you decide to skip this release? Let me know. And let me know in the comments down below as well. Are you Xbox? Are you PlayStation? Let me know in the comments down below. We all know the PlayStation 5 is literally reselling for like a crazy amount of money. I would not be surprised if people bought this thing for $2,000, which is absolutely ridiculous. So without further ado, guys, this is Jordan Stamina. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, please give us a thumbs up. Follow Prince, Mark Anthony, and follow CJ, and of course follow me on Instagram. We are going to be involved in a lot of giveaways right now, so stay tuned for that. Trust me, you don't want to miss it, because we are also going to be partnering up with somebody who is also giving away a PS5. So thank you so much for watching. This is Jordan Stamina. Peace.